So the tooth that we made for Joe today is something that's meant as a short-term solution to his missing tooth problem, and they're never going to look as good as the final restoration, like the implant or the bridge that goes in later. They just won't. However, we have seen these things go the distance. I made one back in 2015 that's still going, and the person doesn't want to transition to a bridge or an implant because they're just happy with the way it looks. And that's all that matters. If the patient's happy, then we're happy too. If you want more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and ask any questions below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. All right, thanks.